Yeah, tax season is upon us. Today is the first day that the IRS will both accept and process those tax returns. So some advice as you're heading into this process. Parents are advised to keep a special eye out for an IRS mailing known as Letter 6419. The letter pertains to 2021's Advanced Child Tax Credit, which was paid out from July through December. Families received up to $300 for each kid 5 and older and $250 for children between the ages of 6 and 17. Last filing season, during the COVID-era tax changes and broader pandemic challenges, there was a huge backlog. The IRS phone system received more than 145 million calls from January 1st to May 17th. That's more than 4 times the number of calls in an average year. So to speed up refunds, the IRS is encouraging taxpayers to file electronically with direct deposit so they can get those returns quickly. Reporting live here in Colorado Springs, Kerjan Donovan, KRDO News Channel 13. Tax season is upon us. Today is the first day the IRS will accept and process tax returns. This year, parents are advised to keep a special eye out for an IRS mailing known as Letter 6419. The letter pertains to 2021's Advanced Child Tax Credit, which was paid out from July through December. Families received up to $300 for each kid 5 and older and $250 for children between the ages of 6 and 17. Letter 6419 will help parents accurately report how much money they received up front in 2021. If a parent did not receive one or more child tax credit payments, they should call the IRS. For other questions, the IRS encourages people to use online resources before calling. Last filing season, COVID-era tax changes and broader pandemic challenges created a huge backlog. The IRS phone system received more than 145 million calls from January 1st to May 17th. That's more than 4 times the number of calls in an average year. To speed up refunds, the IRS encourages people to file electronically with direct deposit. Reporting in Colorado Springs, Kerjan Donovan, KRDO News Channel 13. Good morning, Bryn. Yeah, this morning the Lung Association is revealing new statistics on smoking rates here in Colorado. For adults in the state, the adult smoking rate is just above 12%, while for high schoolers, the tobacco use rate is more than 32%. Now, according to the American Lung Association, it's the nation's leading cause of preventable death, killing more than 5,000 Coloradans each year. And today they're calling for more tobacco control laws and policies that they say can save lives. This year's report focuses on the need for Colorado policymakers to end the sale of flavored tobacco products. Last year's National Youth Tobacco Survey said of the 2 million high school and middle school students using e-cigs, 80% of them are opting for flavored tobacco.
New products like e-cigarettes have emerged, which have threatened to undo all the progress we've made. These new products are using fruit, candy, mint, and menthol flavors to attract a new generation of tobacco users.
To combat this, the Lung Association wants to increase funding for tobacco prevention, eliminate flavored tobacco products, and close loopholes in state or local smoke-free laws. The report also says that tobacco health care costs in Colorado add up to $1.8 billion. Reporting live in Colorado Springs, Kerjan Donovan, KRDO News Channel 13.
Kerjan, thank you.
Good morning, Josh. Yeah, in a 136-page report released this morning, the Lung Association says there's been progress reducing tobacco use, but the state and federal government have more work to do, they say, to protect young people from becoming addicted. Now, here in Colorado, the association estimates more than 5,000 people die from smoking each year. In the state, the adult smoking rate is just above 12%, while the high school tobacco use rate is more than 32%. Now they're calling on state policymakers, saying flavored tobacco products must be prohibited. More than 80% of Black Americans who smoke use menthol cigarettes, and more than 85% of high school students and close to 80% of middle school students who vape are using flavored e-cigarettes.
Our most vulnerable population are youth, and it's really concerning. So ending the sale of flavored tobacco products, including e-cigarettes, menthol cigarettes, other flavored cigars, is really important.
Combat this, the Lung Association is calling to increase funding for tobacco prevention, eliminate flavored tobacco products, and close loopholes in state or local smoke-free laws. The association also adds a quote, "Kids follow the flavor, so ending the sale of all flavored tobacco products in Colorado is key to ending youth tobacco use." Reporting live in Colorado Springs, Kerjan Donovan, KRDO News Channel 13.
Kerjan, thank you.